To make this healthy and delicious smoothie bowl recipe, take 1 cup of buckwheat groats. Add water and soak them for 2 hours. Once soaked, rinse well until the water will be clear. Add 1 cup of soaked buckwheat to the blender cup. Add a 1/4 cup of almond milk, 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of blueberries, blend everything until it's smooth. Now it's time to serve. Decorate it with any fruits of your choice. I like a combination of kiwi and blueberries. Sprinkle with pumpkin and chia seeds. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this video and want to see many more delicious recipes, go ahead and like, comment and subscribe. We will see you in the next one.